Okay, you are welcome to this short training, and in the next couple minutes I will be showing you the guaranteed method to making your first 500,000 naira online in the next 90 days or less just with your smartphone. So ensure you sit tight and avoid any distraction, because the information that is about to be given to you in this training is very important to your growth financially. So before I go fully into showing you what this business model is all about, let me show you what is achievable from this business model. So as you can see, these are screenshots of real people who are making money from this business model. So as you can see on the first screenshot here, Precious made about 300,000 naira in just 5 days doing this business model. And right here on the right side, you can see Faithfulness. She made about 150,000 naira in just 10 days, and she even won an extra 100k in a sales challenge, making it 250,000 naira in just 10 days. This is so amazing. So as you can see right here, we have another person who made 90,000 naira in just 24 hours of doing this business model. He made 90,000 naira. So amazing. So on the second screenshot here, you can see this guy made 50,000 naira in just 1 day doing the same business model. So right here is somebody who is a stay-at-home mom, and she's testifying to how this business has changed her life even while she was babysitting her child. So this is so amazing. A lot of people making money from this business model. So what is this business model all about? This business model is called affiliate marketing, and I believe probably you have heard about it, but even if you have not, affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote someone else's product and receive a commission for each sale you make. Very simple. Once you recommend a product to somebody and that person gets that product, you get a commission for your recommendation. It's very simple. We all do affiliate marketing every day, just that most people do not get paid. They do it for free. But when you do it the right way, you get paid for each recommendation you make. So this is how the affiliate marketing system works. You join an affiliate marketing platform, you pick up a product from the platform that you are interested in, you promote out there, you track your sales, and then you earn a commission on each sale that you make. It's a very simple system, as you can see right here. So now I know you might be asking, how can you start affiliate marketing? So it's very simple. But before you start affiliate marketing, in as much as you want to get started with it, here is some things you should take note of. Affiliate marketing is not a Ponzi scheme. That is one thing you should know. It's a real business. People make money from it. It's been here for a long time. You can do your research and check. Secondly, affiliate marketing is not a network marketing business where you have to bring somebody that will bring another person that keep bringing another person. No, it's a very simple business model that just involves recommending product and earning a commission when you make a sale. Thirdly, affiliate marketing is not a scam. It is a real business. Just like I said, it has been in existence for a long time, and it is also growing and becoming one of the fastest business that people make money from. So take charge of it for your own self too. So the fourth thing you should take note of is that lazy people cannot do this business. So if you are the lazy type who is not interested in doing work but want to earn, then this is not for you. Just leave this point and go and do something else. But if you're interested in making money, then stay with me as I show you how you can get started. So steps to kickstarting your affiliate marketing journey. So the first thing you need to do is select a niche that you are interested in, and this niche must have a high value demand so you can easily make money in this business. Then secondly, source for affiliate programs within this niche. So how do you source for affiliate programs within this niche? That is where the third one comes in. You sign up on an affiliate marketing network and you get your unique affiliate link based on the product you have picked. Then you implement the fourth one, which is start promoting the product to your audience through your various promotional channels, and all of this is what you'll be learning as we go forward. So now there's one thing I want to let you know. Making money is very easy. It's super easy. The only thing is that you need to have the right information. That is what is restricting a lot of people from making money on the internet and even physically. When you have the right information, it becomes very easy, and that is why you are here today. So the right information is here for you. How to turn your smartphone into a mobile ATM, selling other people's digital products using Zenithstake affiliate marketing platform. So how do you use the Zenithstake affiliate marketing platform to turn your phone into a mobile ATM? And that is through the Sales Machine Accelerator course, the SMAC course. This is a guaranteed approach to making tons of sales as an affiliate marketer. So if you are an affiliate marketer already that is not making a lot of sales, or you are new to affiliate marketing, this course is all you need to skyrocket your sales, just like the people I've showed you earlier in this video. So this is what you'll be benefiting from the SMART course. You are going to get a 1-year free affiliate account, which is worth 10,000 naira. You will also be getting the mindset belief system, which is worth 10,000 naira. You will also be getting the sales system analogy, which is going to teach you how to close sales using sales funnel and sales processes. This is worth 20,000 naira. You will also be learning how to design pro flyer with your smartphone. This is worth 10,000 naira. You will also be learning WhatsApp marketing optimization and monetization, how to use your WhatsApp to cash out a lot of money into your bank account, and this is worth 50,000 naira. You will also be learning about product research, how to pick the right product that is going to make you tons of money, and this is worth 20,000 naira. You will also be learning lead generation techniques, how you can increase your sales using organic traffic, which is a free traffic method, and also how to use paid advert method using Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and many more. You'll be mastering the art of copywriting, what you should know about copywriting, and this is worth 10,000 naira. Also, you'll be learning sales closing strategies and handling objection techniques, how to increase your sales and make people buy faster, worth 10,000 naira also. And also you'll be learning how to run effective paid YouTube advert. This is a mind-blowing aspect of your marketing, and this is worth 20,000 naira. You will also be learning how to create simple landing pages with your smartphone to increase your sales, and this is worth 40,000 naira. And also you'll be learning how to optimize your social media accounts and monetize them, and this is also worth 20,000 naira. So in summary, the total of all you'll be getting inside the SMART course is worth over 280,000 naira. That is if you are going to learn all of this individually. But guess what? You will not be paying 280,000 naira. So if you enroll for this program today, you'll be getting all of these I have mentioned for just 10,000 naira. This is so amazing. But there is a catch. It will be increasing very soon, so ensure you take charge immediately. So to enroll for the SMART course now, all you just need to do is to click on the button below this page, or just send a message on WhatsApp to the person who shared this video to you. It is very important, so that you can also get access to the required mentorship that you need to increase and grow in the business. So here at Zenithstake, we ensure that affiliates enjoy the following. Course enrollment is automated, so the moment you pay for the program, you automatically get access to your course and you can start studying and getting familiar with what you need to know. Your affiliate account activation is also automated. Withdrawal on pay days are also automated. We have built something seamless and user-friendly, saving our affiliates and vendors headaches. You understand? So this is one of the best affiliate marketing platforms in Nigeria currently, and in Zenithstake you earn in naira and you get paid in naira. And one amazing thing is that Zenithstake pays its affiliates every Sunday, so you can enjoy your weekend with what you have made over the week. So generally, if you are interested in getting started, ensure you take charge immediately, because the price is going up from 10,000 naira to 20,000 naira very soon. So ensure you take action now before that happens. So to enroll for the SMART course, to get all that is inside, all the bonuses and everything you need to skyrocket and make your first 500,000 naira in 90 days or less, all you just have to do is click on the button below this page, or send a message to the person who shared this video to you, so that person can guide you through on how you can get started immediately. The opportunity is right before you and the choice is in your hand. See you on the winning side.